What's up, YouTube? Doing O2 sensor. It's the old O2 sensor, Upstream. This is the new one. This is the tool you need. Alright. Size. It's how the ratchet tool look. Take it off. Put it on there like that. Slide it in. It goes on just like that. Alright. I'm using like a 1/2 inch. But I'm using a gun because you need a lot of power. And the Upstream O2 sensor for the Jeep Compass 2007 is located right behind the top. I took the top off and that's right there. Just pull it up, pops up, it goes in right there. About to install this new O2 sensor. So I had problems last time. I ain't have my gun around, so I will be using the guns pretty much to do it, and it goes in just like that. So it's on there good. The old O2 sensor. So that's no good. We're gonna tighten up this one. So got it on there. About to tighten this bad boy up. It's on there. The music background do not own this music. And there you have it. The new O2 sensor Upstream is installed. So I look there, top, and it snaps in with this little piece right there. Easy peasy. Snaps on just like that. Alright, that's it. It's the end of the video. So if you like this video and want to see more like this, make sure you hit the like button. Like and subscribe, share, comment below. But until next time, see you in the next video. Pretty much, that's it. It's the O2 sensor. Alright, adios.